Alright, Millie, you're my last hope for the day because we're not batting a good average here. Look at that tail. This is Millie out of round number 60. She's a sweetheart. One of Sherry's favorite dogs, I think. And that's Tom. What do you think of Tom? Tail's wagging. Tom's like, dude, I'm so over it. Are you over it, Tommy? Millie. You good with doggy? There's the whole body wag. Come on, let's go say hi to Tom. Oh, she wants the toy. She wants the ball. Come here, girl. Come here. Let's say hi to the kitty. There you go. What a good girl. What do you think? Tom, what do you think? You want to come out? Tom's not feeling it today. So, she's very forceful.
Yeah. She's like,
You're strong, and you're all that weight on you, and you're just strong and stout. You're a beautiful dog, though. It's okay. I don't think she's not gonna hurt him. Look at that tail. And Tom is bowing his head to her, so that's the seal of approval. She just, I think she would want to play chase, if anything. She'd play. Look at that tail go. Good boy, Tom. Good girl, Millie. Oh, not in me. Not so close, baby. Tom, come on. You want to come out, Tom? If you pull her back a little, maybe you can. Tom. Come here, Tom. Tom, come here. Come here, Tom. Tom, you ready to go? Tom. Come on, Tom. She can have the ball. It's good to see him play with balls. Come here, Millie. You want to play with the ball? That'll make good video, too. Yes. Somebody. Somebody. Give me that ball. Tom, are you not coming out for anybody? Come on, Tom. She's got a ball in her mouth. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Tom is out. She's more interested in the ball. Can you say hi to Tom? There you go. Good girl. Tom is purring. Tom is purring. She's not interested. She's interested in the ball. What do you think, Tommy? What do you think of this doggy? You're used to doggies playing around you. She's got absolutely no eye for the cat as long as she has the ball. Cat is over here. Millie. Tom doesn't want to play with the ball. Millie, it's the same colors. Tom's like, just open up the crate, Mom. Actually, she's pretty good. She's more focused on the ball than anything else. Millie, what do you know for tricks? Let's see if I have any treats left. Oh! Shoddy camera work here, but that's okay. Millie. Cookie. You sit? You sit? Millie? You love your toys. You love your toy. You don't even want a cookie over a treat, over a ball? Are you sure? You can't do both. Yeah, she's trying. Millie, you gonna do that again? You silly girl. Her choice is obviously the ball over food. That's so cute. Here, sit, sit. Good sit, good sit. So gentle. Do you know shake, 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 paw? It's like, dude, I'm sitting. I'm sitting. Well, she's a dog.